Yo, what is up, everyone? We are back on live now. So, yes, appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. And just remember, before tuning to the live stream, yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Had a great week. Of course, looking forward to some more trades possibly today. We're going to be going over trades over for this week. And yes, we're going to start on the Qs. We're going to go to SPY. We're going to go pretty much to everything as well. Obviously, charts do need to load up. Yo, Danny, what's up? What's up? Good to see you all. Good to see you all once again. All right, so now for the Qs, and then we'll go to a lower time frame. And yes, I am looking for the same play each and every day, each and every time frame. So, what I see here. So, we're going to go ahead and get started. So, yes, obviously I get it. Yo, Destroyer, what's up, Yo, Lee, I've been checking on the part. You should check out Kava and TTD. Yep, no worries. We'll go over that too as well. Kava and TTD. Yep, perfect. All right, so the Qs. This is what I'm seeing here. That looks really good. And right now, so yes, I get it. We do have empty space here. So I see this clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. And yes, what do we need here, guys and gals? We would need a top wall and a bottom wall. So yes, top wall here, also this bottom wall there. So this bottom wall that I'm seeing, that I'm referring to, is points of contact. And there's 2 points of contact that need to be broken in order for us to target into this downside. So as of right now, I get it. We're, at this 508 area. Obviously, we could end up gapping up or down a bit. So, yes. But if we do end up breaking and closing underneath this floor, underneath this level, I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally, for me, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle here. And yes, what is this, guys and gals? This is also another box, another wall. So this looks really decent. Obviously, if we're in consolidation, there's no trade. But once we end up breaking outside of consolidation, we want to take the trade to the downside. Yo, GA, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. 504, fire, man, fire. So yes, what do we have here? From the top wall to the bottom wall, inside of the middle, we have the empty space that we like. So yeah, this looks really good. Obviously, what do we need here? I would need a candle body closing underneath this floor, underneath this level, in order for us to target into this downside. So yeah, it looks really good, looks really decent. We're just gonna have to wait. So obviously, markets are closed today. So yeah, getting ready for tomorrow, but that looks really good. See how we want to open up. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the Qs. Obviously, we can go down to a lower time frame, break it down to as well. SPY. Yo, Georgia Peach, thanks so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so now let's get over for this one as well. Yo, Mr. Green, what's up? What's up? Good to see you on this great Monday. All right, so you want to see Marvel too? Yeah, no worries. So we'll go over pretty much everything as well. And same thing here. We're going to go down to a lower time frame and break this one down. Yo, Pap, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Embrace your beautiful. What's up? Thanks for the follow. Honestly, had a great weekend. Was refreshed. Gonna get ready for tomorrow. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. All right, so as of right now, hold on. 575. Arms that 570. All right, so okay, this looks really good. And this is what I'm seeing here. So right here, there is, and this is on SPY about on the 1 hour. There's empty space here, and what I see here at least, we do have. So yes, we have a top wall. Also a bottom wall here, and under us, so yes, under this wall here, you can see we have points of contact. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 body candles that is having a hard time getting underneath this floor, underneath this level. So if we do end up breaking under there, I am looking for the next resistance. Personally, for me, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle here. So this is another floor, another wall that I am seeing that looks really decent. So yes, right now, Obviously, we're in consolidation, so there's just no trade for me. So I'm just going to have to wait for that. But yeah, it looks really good if we can get that. Top wall to bottom wall. Inside the middle is going to be the empty space that we like. Obviously, in the Discord, we do like to swing trade. But yes, we'll be looking for a couple day trades too. And also, there's also this. So let's take a look here. So where there are no candles with no consolidation, so I see a clear move down of no consolidation. This right here, let alone, is exactly what I would want to the upside. But in order for us to target into this upside, what do we need? Obviously, of course, we need the top wall and the bottom wall here. And let's take a look here. So yes, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 body candles, or 2 body candles and 1 wick, closing directly at the same price. If we end up breaking above this level, this 585 level, I would need a break in candle body closing above this wall in order for us to target into this upside. So boom, as you can see, that looks really decent. So yes, from the top to the bottom, inside the middle, we have the empty space that we like. So yeah, this looks really good. This looks really amazing. I'm just going to have to wait, of course, because one, it is Monday, the market is closed, and yeah, hopefully by tomorrow, we have 2 possible outcomes. So personally, we had a 3-day weekend. How this week yesterday. So for me, I only had some lotto plays, so I didn't have any real entries. But honestly, we're just gonna have to see how everything opens up. But don't have any bad entries at least. So yeah, pretty much gonna be ready for everything. And yes, inside the Discord, this is what we did just last week. So this is how pretty much my plays are going to, happen. So I'm looking for a clear move up with no consolidation. And this is exactly what I want to the downside. We end up breaking below the wall. As you can see, we broke below the wall, which allowed us into the empty space below us. Same thing, Google. Clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the wall. We go up a tap. So yes, IWM. If there's consolidation, we don't take the trade. Once we break outside of consolidation, this is exactly what I want to the downside. So yeah, it looks really decent, looks really good. Obviously, yes, you all have to do your own research, so please do your own research before doing anything. I'm only going over the chart, so no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. So let's go over some more trades here. I think you guys and gals wanted to look at Kava. We'll go over that. TTD, we'll go over that, and also we could go over, let's see, MRVL, so Marvel. And the Discord knows about Marvel as well. We'll go over Disney too. Kava, TTD. Do you have any courses? I'm a beginner. So I have a Discord. So I have a free Discord. The link is in the bio. We have the VIP chat. VIP chat is where we give signals, a little bit more information. But if you want to join the free chat, link is in the bio. Ask your questions. Obviously, I do have a course too. So my course goes over, pretty much from start to finish on how I cash these entries using the Potter box. So yes, link is in the bio for everything. Thanks for the follow. And yes, drop the tickers. I will go over pretty much everything here. Oh, okay. So this looks really good. Hold on one second here. Okay, I get it. There's empty space here. Yes, beautiful. Yes, also beautiful here. I think there may be earnings on this. I'm not too sure. But let's see. What do I see here? So let's go to a nice time frame. And for this at least, so on a 4-hour, this is what I like here. That looks really good. And yes, same plays each day. So in my Discord, I'm looking for the same play pretty much each day. As for this, I see a clear move down, no consolidation. This right here is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, what would I need here? Top wall, nice bottom wall here. So this top wall that I'm seeing, as you can see, this is an area where these candles are having a hard time getting above. So if we do end up breaking and closing above the top floor, you can see body candle, closing direct at the same line. If we end up breaking above this level, above this wall, I don't see any resistance until boom. this green candle here. So yes, can also be another box. So no, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to take a trade to consolidation. So basically from one box to the next box, that's exactly what we want. And yeah, this looks really decent. Obviously my first TP would still be the middle of the move. From the entry to the exit, the literal middle. And yeah, this looks really good. Obviously, yes guys, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. But yeah, this looks really decent. As of right now, we are currently sitting inside of this box. So there's just nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. But yeah, it looks really good. All right, Kava, let's see. I think we had something here, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so yeah, we did. So we'll go to a higher time frame, and then we'll break it down. So, yo, Mr. Green, what's up? So yeah, I'm on a 4-hour right now. So this is on a 4-hour for Marvel. But yeah, it looks really decent. All right, so let's go to Kava. Let's go to a 24-hour time frame. We'll work our way down. Obviously, yes, there is tons of empty space here that look really good. But what I see, let's go down to a 4-hour, because you know this trade may not happen right now. But what I see here, so we start on the higher time frame. If I don't see anything that I want, that I like, I just go down to a lower time frame and go from there. So as of right now for this, what catches my eye, so let's just pretend, let's just say we're, you know, opening up the laptop, we're trying to find a trade. First thing that I see is a clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. So this is called our empty space. This is exactly what we want to the upside. What do we need here? In order for us to tap into this upside, we would need a top wall and a bottom wall here. So this top wall, bottom wall here that I'm seeing. So hold on one second here. So there's a nice top wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this upside. If we are in consolidation, as you can see, we're currently stuck in consolidation. So there's just nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. So if we do end up having a breaking candle body closing above this wall here, I would love to take it to the upside all the way until I see the next resistance. And personally, I don't see any resistance until boom, this green candle here. And yeah, this looks really good. Obviously, first TP would still be the middle of the move. So from the entry to the exit, the literal middle, and that looks really good. And yes, all of my plays look exactly alike. We don't change anything at all. So yes, if you are planning to join the Discord, we don't change anything. All the plays will look exactly alike. So I'm looking for a clear move up, no consolidation. We have a bottom wall, so an area of consolidation that needs to be broken. In order for us to target into the downside, we end up breaking below the wall, we go down and tap. So that is on the cues. You can see like my different time frames that we end up catching. So it could be on a 30-minute, it can be on a 24-hour. So mainly we take swing trades at the end of the day, so the last hour, especially if it's a, you know, a 24-hour time frame. So clear move down, no consolidation, we end up breaking above the wall, we go up a tap. So same thing here, JPM, where there is no consolidation, this is exact. So yes, clear move down, we have a wall that needs to be broken. If we are inside the box, no trade. If we break and close outside of it, so you can see we ended up breaking and closing outside of it, which allowed us to the upside. So now let's keep going. So TTD, let's see here, 24-hour. Okay, so for this one, this looks really good. This looks really decent. Obviously, I do see the empty space above us. You know, clearly as well. Yo, Zax, what's up? What's up, Tesla? Yeah, no worries. Yeah, let me pull it up 1 second. So Tesla, yeah, we'll go over that as well. Good to see you. Good to see you. So right now, let's go to a. All right, so this is what I'm seeing here. So yes, there is possible empty space to the upside and the downside. Personally, if we keep dropping, so yes, we have a box here. So where there are candles consolidating, I see this clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. We end up breaking below this wall. We have empty space all the way until I see the next rejection, which is right here. So yes, this is also another box. So yes, top wall, also bottom wall there. So in the middle, so from the top to the bottom, in the middle, we have the empty space. It looks really good. Looks really decent. So yes, right now we are in consolidation. There is nothing for me to do. We have empty space that we can take to the downside. But I also see, so this top wall here, we break above this top wall there. Probably would do another box there. There's also empty space. Hold on, sorry, not me to do that. There's also empty space here. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep watching it. It looks really decent. Would love, so let's just say another wall there. But yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So yeah, as of right now, obviously there's nothing for me to do. No, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, it looks really decent. Yo, Mr. Green, what's up? How do I get the Potter box on TradingView? So personally, all you would need in order for you to get this box here, so I'll just show you really quickly. All you got to do is go over here to the left-hand corner, go to the geometric shapes, and then boom, you'll go down to the shapes, and then you click on the rectangle, and then boom, you got your big rectangle. Obviously, if you want the middle line though, you would have to double tap it, double click it, and then you click the middle line. Obviously, you know, I like purple. So yeah, purple, you know, I'll definitely, I like that color. But anyways, now that is how you pretty much do that. So that's on TTD. Let's look at Tesla. And I've been waiting for this Tesla play for a while. So we're going to start on a higher time frame, and then we'll work our way down. DJT, yeah, no worries. And then AAL, yeah, what's up? Yep, got you, no worries. Good to see you. So yeah, now let's go to a 24-hour time frame. And yes, there's empty space above us here. So personally, what I, you know, would love to wait for, yes, you know, I do like trading Tesla. Clear move down, no consolidation. We do have, so same thing here. We do have nice top wall, bottom wall here. And this empty space that I'm seeing, that we're showing you, or that I'm showing you, this is candles with no consolidation that I would love to take to the upside. As you can see, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. So yes, the direct middle is exactly what we would do. So yeah, this looks really good. Not bad at all. Yeah, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So that looks really good. At the end of the day, so yes, we mainly swing trade inside of the Discord. And that's pretty much it. But hold on, let me pull that up too. So, hold on, before I finish this analysis, AAL. Pull up Disney too. Hold on one second here. DIS. Let's see. All right, yeah, cool. So now let's go to a lower time frame. Break it down. Let's see. All right, so personally, what I see here that looks good. Hold on. Let me see if there's a 2 hour, 1 hour. That 2 hour looks pretty good. 1 hour. All right, so I do like this 4 hour a little bit better. Yes, there is empty space here too as well that I'm seeing that looks really good. So I'll keep an eye on this one as well. But as of right now, what I'm focused on, what I'm worried about. So yes, I do see this. And obviously, yes, guys and gals, just please do your own research, not financial advice. We're doing market prep right now, so just getting ready for this week. No, I'm not getting into anything. I'm not buying anything. So yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. Yo, Glock, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, did not mean to do that. All right, so as of right now, let's see. We have this clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. So we do have this clear move up. That looks really good. So there is no consolidation at all. And yes, what do we need here? Nice top wall. Nice bottom wall here as well. And this bottom wall here that I'm seeing, you can see we have two body candles closing directly at the same price. And this is exactly, you can see where these candles are struggling to get under. So in order for us to target into this downside, we would need a break and closure underneath this wall. So let's just say we end up breaking under this wall here. I don't see any resistance, guys and gals, until, boom, this red candle there. And yes, what is this, guys and gals? Another box. So yes, we aren't trading into consolidation, we're trading to consolidation. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. Looks really decent. So yes, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait for a decent trade. Looks really good. Not bad at all. And yes, all of my trades in the Discord, you can see, if you want to see the type of work that we do. I wish I could show you here, but I can't. I can only show you the charts. You would have to look inside the VIP Discord. You can see in the games page, you can see what we do here. You can see my charts and, you know, aftermath of the charts of what we do. We're looking for the bigger trade. So yes, we mainly like to swing trade. As you can see, clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the wall. Hold on, we go up and tap. So yes, 24-hour candle closures. You can see Nike, clear move down, no consolidation. We have a area of consolidation that needs to be broken. We end up breaking above the wall. We go up and tap. So yes, each trade is going to look exactly alike. Doesn't matter which time frame I'm on. It's going to look exactly alike. So 1 second here. So it can even be, obviously this is how we pretty much call it inside the VIP Discord. I give instructions on what I'm looking for. Box, no trade. We break outside of it. We go down and tap and target. So this is exactly what I'm looking for each and every trade. We don't change anything at all. Yeah, Marvel, so yeah, we'll go over Marvel again, no worries. DJT, yeah, we can go over that. Do want to go over some more options, so yeah, we're going to go over a little bit more options, and then, you know, we'll go over that too as well. Yo, Dave, what's up, what's up? Pretty much, man. Dude, good to see you, bro. Hope you're having a blessed Monday. Google, yeah, we'll go over that too as well. All right, so AAL, let's go over this. And yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything, so if you did want to request, no worries at all, we'll go over it as well. Alright, so as of right now, what do I see here? And personally, we'll go to a weekly time frame and then we'll work our way up. So yes, I do see this. We do have clear empty space here. That looks really good. I just don't really like this wall here. There's not really any structure that I like. So I would just go down to a lower time frame, try to break this one down. Personally, there is, see this top wall, nice top wall there. Also, we can see there's a bottom wall here. So as you can see here, this looks really decent. This looks really good. We have a top wall that needs to be broken, and if we can end up breaking above that wall there, I don't see any resistance, guys and gals. And so boom, this green candle here. So yes, now we can actually circle exactly what we're targeting, exactly what we're looking for. So I'm looking for candles with no consolidation. And once we end up breaking outside of consolidation, this is exactly what I want to the upside. So yes, what do we have here? Top to bottom, inside the middle, we have the empty space that looks really good. So yes, looks really decent, not bad at all. Yo, thank you so much for the follows, really appreciate it. PLTR and Google, yep, no worries. Hold on 1 second here. Alright, hold on. MRVL. PLTR. Hold on, that's definitely not PLTR. PLTR. And Google. Let's take a look at there. And yes, if you're planning to join the Discord, we mainly do end-of-day swing trades. So yes, at the end of the day is when we mainly get into our trades. So obviously, yes, I will do a lot of more work and find us day trades, but our main trades will mainly be at the end of the day. So yes, link is in the bottom for the Discord. We have the free version. We also have the VIP version as well. Yo, thanks for the roses. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the follow as well. So now, what do I see here? We see, so yeah, same exact thing here. We have this clear move down of no consolidation. This right here, let alone, then, I'm not gonna lie, I've been waiting for this full move to happen for a very long time. So yes, we see a clear move down of no consolidation. This right here is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, what do we need, guys and gals? Of course, we need a top wall and a bottom wall. So yes, this is a Potter box, and we're using Potter box right now, so make sure follow Potter as well. Shout out to Jesus. You guys know that already. So boom, what do we see? Clear move down, no consolidation. We have a top wall that needs to be broken in order for us to take this to the upside. Obviously, we did end up scalping this a little bit. So if you want to see what we did on Google, just like what, last week? Hold on 1 second here. Where is this at? Let's see, Google. So yeah, we call it Google. We caught a little bit of Google. We caught it for a nice scalp. Clear move down. We ended up breaking above the wall. If you want to see what the members and I did on Google, it is on the games page as well. But as of right now here, I'm still waiting on this. So if we end up breaking above this top level here, this 173 area. I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally for me, I don't see any resistance until boom, this green candle here. And yes, what is this, guys and gals? Another top wall and another bottom wall there. And yes, in the middle, we have the empty space that we like. So from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, so yes, the exact middle is exactly what I want. And hopefully for an end of day entry. So right now we're inside the box, there's no entry at all. You can see we ended up trying to break above and close above this wall, but we couldn't. So if there is no candle body closing above the wall, there's no entry at all. So yeah, right now definitely not going to do anything except for just to wait. Alright, so for Diz, let's take a look here. Disney, and then we'll do Google. We did Google, but we'll do PLTR and then MRVL. Yo, what's up, Panga? Thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. Alright, so Disney. So this is what I've seen here, and looked really decent. So as you can see here, we did have, obviously, the 4 hour. 4 hour is very, very valid. It looks really good. We have the empty space. But we did this on a 2 hour. And what I saw here was a clear move up of no consolidation that I wanted to take to the downside. We ended up breaking below the wall, allowing us to the downside, and then we curled back into this box. And then we rejected it. So hopefully we can end up finishing this move. Looks really good. Obviously there is another wall here. So yes, top wall, bottom wall. That needs to be broken. We'll love to see it break outside this wall and that ambi space being built. So it looks really good. Obviously, no, I'm not saying guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Not financial advice. So yes, all have to do your own research. DG, yep, got you, man. No worries. We'll go over pretty much everything. So yeah, let's do that. PLTR. And DG was actually another great one we ended up catching too. So 1 second here. So yeah, let's go to a 24-hour time frame, and then we'll work our way down, of course. Yo, TB, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. All right, so yes, let's go to a lower time frame, and let's just break this down, of course. So I don't really see anything on a high time frame that I like, but let's go down to the 2 hour. And yes, what do I see here? So personally, if I see, let's just say, for example here, we have all of this. So you can see this. This is consolidation. You can see we're going back and forth. There's just nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. Personally for me, this is what I see here that looks really good. And yes, what do we have here? Yo, Edgar, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, man, on this great Monday. Honestly, dude, I'm ready for this week. It's going to be a great week. So yeah, pretty refreshed. Gonna be ready to attack tomorrow. It's gonna be great. So yes, what do we have here? Yo, Potter, what's up? What's up? XYZ. Yeah, we'll go over that too. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you all. All right, so yeah, what do we have here? Another top wall. Nice top, nice bottom wall here. And obviously, yes, I get it. We're at this 123 area. Obviously, we do need to, the graph needs to load up. So yes, we have this bottom wall that needs to be broken. You can see 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. And this is where these candles are having a hard time getting under. If we end up breaking under this wall here, I don't see any resistance until boom, this red candle there. So yeah, it looks really decent, looks really good. So yes, what do we have here? Top wall, bottom wall, inside the middle, we have the empty space. So yeah, looks really decent, looks really good. I will keep an eye on this. Depending if we gap up or gap down. But yeah, it looks really good. You think PLTR will stay above 110 for the next? Honestly, if we end up, so yes, if we end up chopping, we could end up just, trotting along this, area of this consolidation. But personally, if I see it under this 115, I do like it to the downside as well. But obviously, no, I'm not saying guys to enter into anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, you all have to do your own research. And no, I'm not saying guys to buy anything. I'm not getting into any of these plays. Obviously, it's Monday, so market is closed. So it's gonna wait. I do want to see how everything opens up tomorrow. Just not gonna jump into anything crazy. I just want to see how it opens up, and then we're gonna play it And yes, I wait for setup. So if you're in my Discord, if you're planning on joining, we mainly take trades at the end of the day. Obviously, I do like to do a lot of day trades too for the team members, but our main focus will be the end of day swings. And I wait for my trades. We have the box, we have the clear move up, no consolidation. Once we see us breaking outside the box, I want to take it to the downside. As you can see, that ended up going great. Google, you can see we caught a little bit of that. IWM. So yes, clear gap up, no consolidation. We have a bottom wall that needs to be broken. We end up breaking below the wall. This was the biggest trade last week, by the way. So you can see, like, I love IWM. So I definitely will be, trying to trade IWM if we can get a setup too as well. But yeah, if you want to see what we did on IWM, what the members and I did, you can look at the games page. Honestly, don't even join my VIP chat. Join the free chat. You can see the members. You can even ask the members what we do here. But yes, I go by and I look for the bigger time frame trades. I don't care about, the 1 minute chart. I'm looking at a 24-hour, so the higher time frame. And that's pretty much it for me. So for DG, it looks like, so this was another trade we did end up calling out. So we did really, really good on this one. Hold on, where was it at? Here. So we did catch DG. It's somewhere here. DG. Where are you at? Where are you at, DG? Hold on, I can't show you anything else except for the chart. So yes, please do your own research. I don't know, I have so many charts. I can't even see it anymore. But yes, it's somewhere in the gains page. But anyways, DG, we have. So yes, still empty space here. So this clear move down of no consolidation. And we ended up breaking above the wall, which allowed us into the empty space above us. As you can see, let me see. Hold on 1 second here. Not Diz. Hold on. Let's see. DG. Yeah, we'll go over Diz again. Yeah, no worries, my guy. Got you, my guy. So as you can see here, this was another play that we called out. So this was. So yeah, you can see this is the before. We're at this 98 area, and then the aftermath. We ended up going up. Obviously, you can see how we pretty much call plays. You can see DG runner still valid. Let's see if our targets can get hit now. So yeah, we did end up catching that play. We called that out. It was a great play. Right now, yes, I would love for this empty space to end up getting filled. Looks really decent. Obviously, if we want to go to a lower time frame for a break, we definitely can. So if we do end up, let's just say we need, new entry. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to get into anything, so please do your own research. Yo, McCain, thanks for liking the live stream. But there is top wall, bottom wall here. We break above the top wall there. I don't see any resistance until, my original target. So yeah, this looks really decent, looks really good. So yeah, we're very, very close to my first TB though. Very, very close. So yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. We'll just have to see how, everything opens up. Looks really good. All right, so that was on DG. We can go over, yo, Tiny Diny, thanks so much. Really appreciate it. XY, so hold on. XYZ, you guys want me to look at that too as well. Let's go over that. Also, DIS, yeah, we'll go over that too as well. Pretty sure we already did, but yeah, no worries. We'll do it again. So as of right now, so hold on, XYZ, let's do this first really quickly. And yes, let's take a look here. Honestly, I do like this 24-hour a little bit better. Yo, Norby, what's up? AAL, yeah, we'll go over that. Yeah, no worries. So personally, I do like this 24-hour a little bit better than any other time frame. What I personally would wait for. So same thing here, and I do like the way XYZ moves. These contracts do end up giving a good reward. So yes, what do we see here? We have clear move down, no consolidation. This right here is exactly what I would want to the upside. Yo guys, thanks for 3,000 likes. You guys and gals are going crazy. Thank you so much for all the likes. So yes, what do we have here? Another top wall. Obviously, bottom wall here. So as you can see here, we do have a nice top wall that looks really, really decent. That needs to be broken above in order for us to target into this upside. So yes, it's that simple. We have empty space. Obviously, we know about the early punchback entries, but as of right now, there's a top wall that, so yes, buyers control this bottom box and sellers control this top box. So sellers' job is to keep price pushing down, and once we get to this level, they're going to try their hardest to keep price pushing down because they know what lies ahead. So if we end up breaking and closing above this wall at the end of the day, so yes, I know that sounds crazy, but yes, the end of the day, the last 30 minutes, the last 15 minutes, I don't see any resistance, so boom, here. Obviously, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be my empty space. Honestly, I will keep an eye on this. This looks really good. Maybe I'll set an alert here too. Yeah, hold on. All right, I set my alert. That looks really good. Obviously, there is a little bit of an empty space here. So if we end up breaking above this top wall here, this, what, 59.87 area, we do have a little bit of empty space here. That looks really good. Yo, thanks for sharing the live. Really appreciate it. Thanks for liking live. Really appreciate it. All right, so that was on XYZ. Obviously, I like it. Looks really good. All right, so for this is what I see here. So looks very, very good on the 4 hour. Obviously, we had the empty space. It looks really good. We had a bottom wall that needs to be broken. We ended up breaking below the bottom wall and punching back out. So hopefully we end up breaking under this 109 area, trying to fill this empty space. Looks really decent. Just want to see how everything pretty much opens up. So I think, you know, at what, like 50 minutes, that's when we'll be able to see, you know, actual price and stuff. So pretty much just ready for tomorrow, ready for this week. And yes, the end of day swings is what I will mainly be focusing on. But yeah, we still are in this box. I do like this downside though. Looks really good. Yeah, Hugo, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. Meta, yeah, no worries. We'll do that as well. Google, we know about Google. I will be waiting on that. So yeah, we'll go over that as well. MRVL, I think we did Marvel, right? Yeah, I think we did. Yeah, we did. I think we did this on the 4 hour, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, 4 hours, so Marvel. Yeah, we'll go over Meta right after this one as well. And also, let me pull up IWM. So IWM, I do like. Hold on, I am waiting on a trade for that. So, and yes, I will be looking out for IWM. So yes, clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the wall, the 62 area. I don't see any resistance until the 64 area. So yeah, it looks really good. Obviously, no, there's no entry. So yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, please, please do your own research, of course. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can look at the free chat. You can look at the VIP chat. You can see exactly what we do here. Scroll. You can look at the games page. You can look at the testimonials. You can see exactly what we do. Everyone here is pretty cool. Yo, William, so honestly, if you want to join the free chat, you can always join there. That's, you know, pretty good chat. But yes, VIP chat, we have what? And this is where we give signals. There's a lot more information, a lot more charts that we are looking at together. It's like, what, 29 a week. We do have the monthly, 100 is the monthly, and then we have the yearly and the lifetime as well. APOD, yo, I know, what's up, good to see you, bro. I was waiting for your comment, man. I was like, dude, where is he at? I know he's gonna ask about APOD, but yeah, we'll go over it too as well. No worries, man, good to see you. So as of right now, okay, I like this 2 hour. This looks really good. So right now, let's take a look here. Okay, I do see the 1 hour, but I really like this 2 hour. So as of right now, what I see here first, good to see you, man. I'm glad you're having a good one. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation. Also, let me pull up APLD so I don't forget. You know, I go through a lot of charts. So yes, what I see here that looks really good, that caught my eye here. So yes, top wall here. Also nice bottom wall there. So underneath this bottom wall that I'm seeing, so you can see that there's two, so there's one body candle and also one wick closing directly at the same line. And I'm waiting for a break-in body candle closure underneath this wall. Personally, I can see there is another floor here. So I would love a break outside this 624 area in order for us to target into this next box here, this next wall. So looks really decent, not bad at all. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move would be exactly what I would want. So as of right now, am I going to do anything? Obviously not, you know, the market is closed, but yeah, it looks really good. I do like this 624, 64 area to the downside. So yeah, it looks really decent. So now APOD, let's go over this as well. Let's go to a lower time frame. So actually, hold on. Let's go to a weekly chart. So yes, we start on the higher time frame and then we work on our way down. Personally, for me, I don't see anything here. So let me go down to a lower time frame. Oh, actually, this looks fairly decent. Yo, Mr. Green, yeah, got you with Costco. Yeah, no worries. So as of right now, let's see. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's see what the damage is here. All right, yeah, this looks really good. Hey, I'm sorry, just came. Yeah, no worries. All good. Yeah, we'll go over Tesla again. No worries at all. And I think I've seen 2 possible entries for me on Tesla. So yeah, we'll go over that again. Good to see you. All right, so as of right now, what I like here. Hold on. Let's see. So there is a clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. And all that I would need here, so yeah, same exact thing. Nice top wall. Oh, that's a nice top. And also a bottom wall here. So there's this bottom wall that looks fairly decent that needs to be broken. If we do end up breaking underneath that wall there, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle here. Obviously, yes, I would have a liable trim here. Looks really decent. Looks really good. So, yeah, just going to wait. I do like that under the 640 area. Obviously, I get it. We're at the 735, so there's just no entry for me. Just going to have to wait on that. So, it looks really good. Not bad at all. Yo, Potter, what's up? So, I usually day trade Tesla. Yeah, honestly, I like to swing trade it. Sometimes I do like to day trade it too, though. So, Tesla, also, you guys want to see RGTI. Yeah, we'll go over that. And then also ASST. Yeah, no worries. All right, so as of right now, RGT. Oh, hold on. Let's do Tesla really quick. And personally, on a 4-hour, this is what I have here. We could go down to a lower time frame as well and break this down too. But personally, what I have here that looks really good. And yes, guys, gals, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so right now we have. So what I see here, we have a clear move up of no consolidation. And what I mean by no consolidation is basically, yes, candles where there is no candles that is, consolidating. You can see there's no red candles interfering. We have a bottom wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this downside. So if we do end up breaking under this wall here, this 331 area, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this 321 area. So it looks really decent, looks really good. I just gonna have to wait for that. Obviously it's Monday, so yes, on this 331 it looks really decent. Just gonna wait. Obviously, no, I'm not saying you guys to get into anything, so please do your own research. If I want to go down to a lower time frame, I can definitely do that. We'll probably end up gapping up. So, hold on one second here. Clear move up, no consolidation here. There's also another top wall, bottom wall here. So underneath this bottom wall, I can see that there is another box here. So no, we aren't trading inside of consolidation. We are trading to consolidation. So we do have empty space under there that looks good too as well. So not bad, not bad. Yo, X Nobody, what's up, what's up? So CBS, we'll go over that too as well. So those are my 2 possible outcomes for Tesla. They look really good. I'm just gonna have to wait. RGTI, dude, I think there was something here. Hold on. Oh yeah, so RGTI, man. This looks really good. What I see here, and yes. So you can see we're basically inside this box. So this looks exactly like what? All the other plays that I've been showing you. So let's take a look here. Let's see. I want to go over a very good example here in 1 second here. And yes, I can only show you the charts. I can't show you anything else. So please do your own research. Where are you at? All right, so for Tesla, you can see clear move down, no consolidation. We are inside the box right now. So I'm waiting for a break outside the wall into the empty space. And yes, we mainly swing trade. You can see all the charts, what we do here. You can see what the members and I pretty much do. So yes, clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the wall. We go up a tap. So right now, as you can see for RGTI, we're in the box here. So you can see for Tesla, if we are in the box, there is no trade. We're inside the box here. So I'm waiting for a break. So yes, at the end of the day, I'm waiting for a break and body candle closure outside of this wall here, so we can target the upside. Obviously, hold on one second here. And yes, market moves mostly after hours. So my Discord, we're basically trying to find the after hour move. So hopefully, if we end up breaking above this top wall here, we have the empty space that looks really good to the upside. So yeah, it looks really decent, looks really good. Not bad at all. Okay, so ASST, and yes, not telling you guys to enter into anything, so please do your own research, of course. Alright, so as of right now, yes, it doesn't matter what chart I do. It could be a crypto chart, it could be, you know, Forex, it could be literally anything. Any time frame, I'm looking for the same entry. So, no, I do not try to, you know, mess up my members. Like, okay, get into this, get into that. We have a different stop loss, different take profit. No, we're going to have the same stop loss, the same take profit, same everything. And it's going to look like it's, you know, pretty much repetitive. But this is exactly what works for me. What I see here, and we'll go over CVS right after this as well. Personally, there's a nice top wall here. Decent bottom wall there. So this top wall that I'm seeing that looks really good, you can see two body candles closing directly at the same line. If we end up breaking above this top wall here, I am looking for the next resistance. And personally for me, guys and gals, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle here. And this looks really good. So yes, what am I targeting? Empty space. So where there are candles with no consolidation, this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, no. There is no entry for this. We are still inside the box. So yes, you all have to do your own research. I am not telling you guys to buy anything. So yes, you all have to do your own research. But if we end up breaking outside this wall here, there is no consolidation till here. So yes, from the top wall to the bottom wall, inside the middle, looks really decent, looks really good. Not bad at all. So yeah, I personally just gonna wait to see how, you know, we end up opening up for tomorrow. Yes, we mainly focus on the end of the day swings as well. So it doesn't look bad as well. Oh wow, yeah, that's wild. Yo, Caleb, what's up? Yeah, we'll go over that too as well. Hold on one second here. So, CVS. So yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything here. So CVS, I do like trading CVS once there is a good setup that occurs. Personally, for me here, we'll go over this as well. And yes, same exact thing here. Yo, Jerry, thanks for the follow, man. Hope you're having a good one. So hold on one second. I do like. Oh, dude. Okay. This looks good. This looks good. Oh, this looks really good. Honestly, yeah, this looks great. Hold on one second here. Looks really good. Hold on. 62. Okay, yes. What I have here. So same thing. Clear move down, no consolidation. We do have Norby. Yeah, got you. Yeah, we'll go over Snow. Honestly, that's a good suggestion. We'll go over that. So yes, top wall there, bottom wall here. So honestly, that's a nice bottom wall there. It looks really good. So yes, you can see there is a top wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this upside. So if we do end up breaking above the top wall, I personally don't see any resistance, so boom. This green candle here. So yes, now we, exactly know what we're targeting, what that I like. And it's this simple. The empty space. That looks really good. So if we end up breaking above this wall here. So yes, top wall to the bottom wall. Inside the middle, we do have the empty space that looks really good. As of right now, we are still inside of the box. So if we're in the box, if we're in this consolidation area, there's just nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. But looks really decent. Yo, nobody. Honestly, man, there is a lot of good plays that I am seeing. So it's going to be an exciting week. So yes, let's take a look here. And look, guys and gals, if we are in the box, so if we're in the box, if we're in the area of consolidation, there is no trade. If we break outside the wall, there is an entry. As you can see, same thing with Nike. Inside the box, there's nothing that I would want to do here. If we break outside of it, we break and close above, upside. So yes, each trade is going to look exactly like. You can scroll through. Honestly, if you want to scroll through my games page for months, you can scroll through from the beginning of time when I first started this. You can see that, yes, it's going to be exactly the same. Like, all of my trades are going to look exactly alike. Even if it's on a 15-minute, this is how we do entries inside the VIP Discord. I give instructions on what I'm looking at, what levels need to be broken. You can see I give picture examples too of what needs to be done, and boom. So either the play works or it doesn't. And we can see, like, let's just say for this one, for example. Yo, thanks for the roses. Thank you so much. Good to see you, man. Yo, thanks for all the follows. All right, so as of right now, so let's just say for this example here, we have a clear move down of no consolidation. We have this top wall here that needs to be broken. And yes, my entry will always be my exit. So let's just say we end up getting into this entry here. We're above the wall and we're going up. And somehow, some way we come back down. Yes, this is where I will stop out. I can always re-enter. So it doesn't matter if, you know, if I have to get stopped out and re-enter, because I know that I'm looking for the bigger move. And yeah, that looks really decent. That looks really good. So yeah, as of right now, definitely just gonna wait on that. Doesn't look bad. IWM, still waiting on this one. This one looks so good, man. Hopefully we can end up getting this one this week. Won't be bad, won't be bad. Won't be bad at all. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. So yes, if you want, please make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. If you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat and also the VIP chat as well. So yes, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. And thanks for all the likes. Yo, what's up, guys? So, hold on 1 second here. What percentage to set for stop loss and take profit? So, it really just depends. So, I try to let my targets get hit before I, take profits. Obviously, I will be honest. If we're going up and it's going good, it's going great, I definitely will trim along the way. But yes, my entry is going to be my exit. So, let's just say we get in here. Obviously, yes, sometimes I give it a little bit of breathing room, but once we're back, so let's just say we're going back up here, we enter here, we're going up, and we come back into the box. This is exactly when I want to get out. So it's going to be either a break even or a very minimal stop. And this is why I love these types of trades, because I can always re-enter knowing that we can still have the reward. All right, so 1 second here. So it looks really good. So yes, we do have empty space. That doesn't look bad. Personally, I am going to wait for this trade. Doesn't look too terrible though. So see ya, no worries. So 1 second here. And yes, all of my trades are going to look exactly alike. So if one trade doesn't work, I don't care, because I know there's a bigger opportunity that will, that I can take. You can see, if you want to see what we did on PEP, you can see what we do here. We look for quality setups. So if one quality setup doesn't work, there's always going to be another one, another great opportunity. You can see IWM was the biggest trade I called out last week. And honestly, I wish I could tell you and show you what we did on that, but you would have to see it in, the Discord if you want to look at what we do here. So as you can see, it looks really good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Malik, yeah, no worries. So you think Spy 590? Yo, Hoop, good morning, man. I mean, good evening. Dude, honestly, it's wild. Let's see. Ooh, City. Let's take a look here. Take a quick look here. Ooh, okay, this looks really decent. So right now, this is what I'm seeing here. And same exact thing, guys and gals. What do I see? That looks really good. 1 second here. One sec. 1 second. So right now, let's see. All right, so yes, this looks really decent, looks really good. We do have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, what do we need here? Nice top wall, bottom wall there. And this top wall, why are you covering? So yeah, I pretty much can't show like any type of the like gains that we do here. I wish I could. I definitely wouldn't hide anything. Obviously, this is like the game space, so I really can't like show much. So this is inside the Discord. So yeah, if you join the free version, you can pretty much see everything. Obviously, I have to cover, you know, certain things because I'm not sure if I can show it on here. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, trust me, I wish I didn't have to hide anything. So yeah. But as of right now, this looks really good. Doesn't look bad at all. We do have, so yeah, same thing here. Clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, 1 second here. Oh, SPY, yeah, we'll go over SPY too as well. So yes, from the entry, hold on 1 second here. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, is going to be the empty space that I like. So yeah, this looks really good. This looks really decent. As of right now, we aren't even in the box, so definitely gonna keep an eye on that. This looks really good. So hopefully at the end of the day we can find an entry in this as well. Doesn't look bad. So that was on C. We did SPY. Hold on, SPY here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. And so 590. Hold on 1 second here. Let's go to a 4 hour. Let's break this down. Personally, what I see here, so I do see something really, really good. I do like this 4 hour. Let's see if the 2 hour looks decent too as well. Personally, what I see here that looks really good that I would wait for doesn't look bad. And cost, yeah, no worries. Let me pull that up too as well so I don't forget. Yeah, got you, Mr. Green. No worries. So yeah, same thing here. We have nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. If we end up breaking above this top wall, we do have, so yes, empty space above here. We break above this top wall here. I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle there. And yes, what is this? Another top, another bottom. Looks really decent. So hopefully, I just want to see how everything opens up. Doesn't look bad though. So yes, from the top to the bottom, inside the middle, we have the empty space that looks really good. So not a bad play. So obviously, no, there's no entry right now. So yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. But yes, please do your own research, of course. But yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. As you can see here, we do have the empty space that looks really, really, really good. 1 second here. Anyways, so that's on SPY. Personally, I do like that 588 area. That's exactly what I'm seeing. But 1 second here. So that is on SPY. Let's go to Costco. And looks like, so cost ended up breaking above my wall, targeting into the empty space above us. As you can see, I just pulled this chart up. Boom, what do we have here? Clear move down, no consolidation. We ended up breaking above this wall, which allowed us the empty space. Personally, what I see here next, so as of right now, yes, let's take a look. Let's take a quick look here. So we do have, let's take a look here. So I like this 2 hour. I like this 2 hour a lot. Hold on, let me see if a 1 hour is decent too. No, I like this 2 hour. 2 hour looks really good. So as you can see here, we do have, personally, there's a top wall, also bottom wall here. And I'm using Wix this time. So as you can see, there is empty space. So if we end up pushing up above this 113 area, I don't see any resistance until boom. This green candle here looks really decent. Inside the middle, from the entry to the exit, the literal middle of the move, this is exactly what I like. So yeah, it looks really decent, looks really good. Just gonna wait on that. Doesn't look bad at all. And pony, yeah, no worries. We'll go over that too. Alright, so for this one, as you can see here, ooh, that looks good, dude. Yeah, this looks amazing. We do have, so yeah, then we have the empty space. We also do have, boom, nice top, nice bottom here. So yeah, where there's no consolidation, this is exactly what I want to the downside. We end up breaking below that wall there. Don't see any resistance, so boom, here. looks really good. Top to bottom, looks really, really decent. So yes, in the middle, empty space, looks pretty fire. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad, not bad. But yes, guys, thank you so much for tuning into the live stream. I will be getting off now. Gonna get ready for tomorrow. So yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. Join the free chat if you want. Obviously, we have the VIP chat as well. That's where we give signals. But yeah, join the free chat, see how you like it. Or yes, and yes, I will be here every single day. See you guys in the morning. Really appreciate it for tuning back into the live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. Link is in the bio for the Discord. See you all soon.